Look, we as a leader, like don't have a magic. We basically focus on basics only. If a person we are hiring the team, basically they have to be sincere enough, and make sure they are putting their efforts in the right direction.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Facetime with Leaders, a podcast series by World Development Corporation. I'm Sunny Pancholi, anchor at World Development Corporation, uncovering some great achievements and contributions of unsung heroes, inspiring others. I'm elated to introduce Mr. R P Singh on our show today. With over 2.5 decades of experience in mentoring, IT, HR, and staffing solutions, he is currently serving as Executive Chairman and Mentor at Akshu Technology Solutions Private Limited. He's going to share success tips drawing inspiration from his professional journey. Mr. R P Singh, looking forward to an insightful conversation today, and thank you for joining us.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. This is R P Singh.
I would
Yeah.
like to quickly ask you that you
Okay.
have really reached the apex of the corporate world. So, such
Right.
a successful career journey starts with few steps, right? So, I'd
Yeah.
like to know what those initial steps were and how you knew that you were aiming for the right goal.
Yeah, because actually from the beginning only I wanted to do business. The proof is when I was a 6 year old, and there was a village mela fair during same time with Diwali. So I wanted to set up a balloon shop, like which
Okay.
generally I am not from any business background. My father was in central government, and I was started my initial study in village school. So this was my interest, because I did not have any other interest rather than setting up a balloon shop, and which I did with the help of my other friends. And so this shows that my affinity towards business is there from the beginning. So once I completed my master's degree from Pune University, then I got into a career as a management trainee HR. Okay, so because I did it, a specialization in HR. So, but still, my interest remains out for business. So I used to study economics times regularly. I used to brought, and study. And my like even the interest, I used to go to operations work, client meeting, and their problem to be solved. Almost weekly visit, once I used to do. Being in HR, obviously, I was doing my duty and of HR, and I was a successful HR there. 4 years I have worked there in the initial career. So these are the things, and then I got an opportunity and moved into consulting from the HR directly, which is a business combination of HR consulting with a recruitment and headhunting background. So that is the give me a flavor of business. So I handle a branch, then I grown as a regional manager, and then I moved into country I head, and then CEO, and today now I'm a chairman. And I can mentor because I have gone through this journey. So this is how it started, I can say.
Mr. Singh, thank you for the excellent start to this interview. And I must say, your career journey is truly inspiring, sir. Continuing our conversation, Mr. Singh, you have mentored several firms, driving them towards their purpose and objectives.
Correct.
This interests me because you have overseen several business aspects. So, while
Yeah.
mentoring your clients, which aspect do you focus more on and why?
Okay. Look, clients are there. That's what any business survives. So now the client's key focus is they will have some problem. So that is how they will go to the service provider. So that is the key. So we have to always identify their problem, which I did, and able to give a solution which is really suitable for them, and giving them advantage uh, over others. So, and whatever you are handling, you have to handle with a ownership. It's not that whenever client is calling, you are not picking the call and you are giving a standard answer. You know, you have to feel that it is like we are owning that problem and we are trying to give a solution which is really nobody can give. So then only we are ahead of others.
Fantastic. All right, Mr. Singh, in your service at VHR Solutions Private Limited as its CEO, you have managed to clock a revenue of rupees 100 crores. So this is quite incredible, of course. So could you please tell us how you have managed such a mammoth feat?
Yeah, we started that journey as a startup only, startup company, and then we have because due to my relationship with the client throughout my journey in the previous organization, they have given us a agreement, of Infosys, which is a very giant client and one of the largest top five clients in IT services space. Now we have set up a exhaustive team which can cater to their demands day to day basis, and obviously all those factors I have taken into account and build up a team which is like they can deliver the magic basically, and that is how we have grown almost 5 to 7 times year on year, and we have achieved this.
That really sounds incredible, and thank you for sharing such wonderful insight with us today. So, Mr. Singh, what are some success advice you would like to share with our viewers today?
Success advice, like it's look, we as a leader like don't have a magic. We basically focus on basics only. If a person we are hiring the team, basically they have to be sincere enough, and make sure they are putting their efforts in the right direction and take ownership. These three things, if they are there, means that person can grow, and they can achieve any position in an organization. So these three are very key to success, which is basic. I mean, everybody knows it, but then you have to do it and consciously. Not that key in one or two scenarios. Every day we have to do this. There is nothing that we cannot achieve.
Rightly said, Mr. Singh. Your advice can indeed set professionals on the right path. Doing the basics right is the right way to go ahead. Okay, your experience of working with board members is not new. You have collaborated with them on governance matters. So now you're planning to serve on a board by studying international corporate governance. So, how do you explain this transition?
Yeah, because since last year I was in a board, and I was handling successfully the all stakeholders and the non-executive board members. But whatever I am learning currently, definitely there is some gaps. Okay, and especially in the public limited domain, like SODR rule, because now I have achieved up to 100 crore. Now, what is that? That 500 to 1,000 crore, journey I have to go through, and that too with a rules to listing basically, because going to market. So I have not have that experience in place. So I am studying, and that is filling the gap actually, basically, because so actually a lot of things I know, but there are certain things I was not knowing also. So this will complete my journey, and apart from that, I am also looking at global expansion, because Akshu Technology, we have our own entity in Netherlands, and I have a plan to expand slowly into other geography. So this course will make me more aware about the uh, international rules, how international boards and country specific rules related to governance. So I feel this course is helping me towards that.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Singh, you have made significant strides in your career and with your boardroom transition. You plan to add new, even more value to your work. And you have chosen Directors Institute to formalize your experience in corporate governance and upskill in contemporary corporate governance. So, how much you gain by enrolling into our program?
Yes, because when I attended the program and the content I saw, because this is they are quite updated, I can say, because there are certification like ESG and World Director Council's membership, plus the other certifications, which I have yet to go through. So this is really attractive, and the way they do it is very professional, and it's really like it is helping in the to taking me into next level.
Great to hear that. And thank you for sharing such amazing insights into different subjects, Mr. Singh. You have indeed filled a lot into my knowledge deficit. And having the conversation was a very delightful experience, truly. So, wish you all the best for your journey ahead, sir. And thank you for sharing your precious time with us.
Yeah. Thanks, Sunny.
And to all the viewers watching, you too, take care and have a nice time ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. Yeah.